Heck yeah, headed to pick up my Inmotion P6 right now at the FedEx facility. Oh baby, I cannot wait, dude. The moment we've all been waiting for. Separately, of course. Beautiful morning. Got the P6 in the back of the car. Yeah, so I had two packages. The seat was also sent, but when I went to FedEx to pick this up this morning, because it takes them forever, they usually will skip a day or two every time I order one of these, because they're so damn heavy, of course. And I just said, you know what, the priority is priority. I don't need the seat right now, so the seat will be delivered to me later on today, but at least I have my P6. What's up, guys? This is going to be the unboxing of my Inmotion P6, and I am super excited about this wheel. Everything's looking good. However, this is FedEx. I am missing one of these guys, but it is a heavy box, and let's get this thing started. Maybe don't ruin the box. Here we go. Limited first batch bonus. Yes, it is bought. All right. Oh, here we go. All right. There is the charger. Some nice thick cables with that. Wow, look at that box, man. I've been liking the new chargers that came with the Bagode wheels. It like has the little screen on it and tells you where it's at. So I guess this is the fast charger. So we got here some paperwork stuff. Just normal paperwork stuff. Okay. All right, and here's the tools Albert was talking about for the adjusting the pedals. Doesn't adjust pedal height. Oh, holy cow, I'm literally opening this thing incorrectly, correct? Oh wow. I'm gonna go with this. Pull that out, and go with that, and pull that out. Lay that off to the side. All right. That guy. Okay, take this guy off. Oh my gosh, look at that beauty. All right. Oh my goodness, man. Give it the smell test. Oh yes, brand new plastic. Woo! Man, look at that headlight. Oh man, I love these pedals. I have not bought any aftermarket pedals that look like that. That is amazing, dude. Oh my goodness, it's just so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh. So the EX30 is supposed to be the same. I think the EX30 actually did weigh out to 112 pounds, and that's what it but this Inmotion P6 feels a lot heavier, man. Oh yeah, I didn't even take out the pads. The pads that come with this. There's the bone Robert was talking about. So you do get a full set of pads with this. However, I'm not so sure I'll be using these. I want to throw my own pads on it right away. Morning, sir.
How you doing this morning?
I am doing great. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great too.
Excellent.
Show me stuff or what?
Yeah, I'm filming right now. It's just comparing the sizes and all that stuff with the unicycles. This is the brand new one I just got today. I just pulled it out of the package. It is the Inmotion P6. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe it is about 112 pounds on this. Look at these lights. Yes, I just pulled it. I haven't rode it yet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this thing is
have good balance, huh?
gorgeous. The wheel balances itself for the most part.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, let's try turning it on.
Well, good luck. You have a good one, bro.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Thanks.
Yes, sir. Alright, there it is. It's on. Gonna go ahead and scan. Alright. Is download. Alright, gotta do the install of the app. My goodness, look at this thing, man. It is just wonderful. Okay, open the app. Approve. Yep. Allow. Alright, it is connect. Restart wheel after. There's a firmware update. Yep, the handle feels solid, man. Very solid. Feels like a $5,000 handle right there, man. Woo! Wee! Let's go, baby! Alright, this is not a testing wheel. This is my wheel. Goodness. Woo! It feels so good. Oh my god. Oh man, all I gotta do is throw some pads on it. Right. I have to put some extra Velcro on here because I like to throw this extra brake on here. I gotta put something right here because that's not very comfortable for my leg. Woo! That sounds so good. Oh my goodness. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna take this guy home, give him a full charge. There and it felt kind of, I don't know. Oh my goodness, this thing just feels so nice. Guy. Woo! Back to my mess. I need to figure out how to make it so I can put it on its tail. Alright, man, that concludes that's my unboxing. I will do a video of a little ride later on. It is really awesome. Alright guys, see you later.